見つけたの. And also, I found a like really good trick, life hack. Because I was doing like sitting all day, sometimes I have a back problem that it hurts. Sometimes, so. But I can't do anything like, you know, なんていうの? Back cracking? Like cracking the back? Crack! Like that. So. It doesn't go like crack all the time. So. I found a life hack video that like how to crack your back like that. When you like go to your arms, go to like probably left or right, and your legs, you just need to like up your one leg and go to the other side. It doesn't make sense. I haven't do this since I wake up, so I'll do it. 待って、やるわ。待って、これなるかな？待って。Hold on. I'll do it. いきますよ。せーの。Mission failed.